Assalamu alaikum, this is Naima Khatak and today I will teach you about the HTML formatting element. In previous video I teach you about the heading, paragraph tag and a tag. But today I'm gonna teach you about HTML formatting elements and HTML attributes. So let's start, don't waste time. Okay, let's open your editor. Whatever your editor is, Visual Studio Code and whatever your editor is, you open it. My editor is always open because I love coding. I always do coding, different coding. Okay, so my editor is always open and what we do, okay, in previous video I tell you about the heading, paragraph and a tag. If you have some question about this, then you can ask me. Okay, you can ask me because I'm so friendly. I will give you answer. Okay, today I will tell you about the formatting elements. So let's start. First formatting element I always use is B. B is used for bold. So if you want to make some text bold, you can use B. This text is bold. Okay, Control S and I will open it with the live server. I think something is open here. I will just dispose. Okay, now go live. I will make it short that you can see it side by side. Must install live server. Okay, it's very good thing. I just tell it for your convenience. Oh my god, I think he shies. Browser is he or she? I don't know. Okay, this text is bold. Now you see this text is bold. Okay, now we'll do one by one. Now I will tell you about the important formatting elements. If you want to know about the formatting elements, then you can search it on the Google. Okay, and make it a little bit small. Okay, now after bold I will tell you about another, which is italic. So this text is italic. It will appear italic. As you can see, this text is italic. I will put a BR tag between them. BR tag is used for break tag. It is empty tag and it will make break between the two lines. So it is used for it is empty tag because empty tag doesn't have any closing tag. So that's why we call it empty tag. There are many other empty tags. I will tell you about the empty tag soon or maybe in this video. Okay, another one is del. If you want to delete something from your, it's not del, it's del. I put it wrong. Okay, del. So if you want to delete something from your website, so you can use del tag. Then your browser will put a line over it. So this is deleted text. Now you can see. Oh wow, this is looking so nice. And I was looking deleted like. Okay, another one is inserted. When you delete something, so you want to insert here something, so you can use inserted. So inserted, so this is inserted text. You can use it. I see. Oh, they put line below it. Now after inserted, I will use small tag, but you will understand small tag betterly by using the paragraph. Inside the paragraph, I will use a small tag. So small tag will appear small. So here I will use small tag. This is, and here I put the small. This is small text. Okay, inside a paragraph. Now you can see this is small text inside a paragraph. Now you see that this thing appear like this thing appears small, this thing appears small, and this thing appear in its normal value. Okay, so you can use it wherever you want to use it. So you can use small tag. You can also use strong. Strong is same as bold. You want to give importance to something, then you can use strong. Okay, this is used for importance. It is same as bold. Okay, but it is used for importance. That's why. Is this appear here? Yeah, this is used for importance. So you can use strong for importance. You want to give importance to something, then you can use strong. Another one is mark. Mark is for highlighting something, so you can use mark for highlighting something. This is used for highlighting. Is used for highlighted something. Okay, something important. What do you want? You can see this is used for highlighted something. I will use break tag here to break the two lines. Now you can see this is used for highlighting something. You can make it correct. Okay, another is which is important is subscript. Now what is subscript? Okay, you will understand subscript better when I use it is inside the paragraph. So I will use a paragraph and I will say this text is, and then I will use sub. This text is subscripted. Subscripted text will appear below the normal line. Okay, now you can see this text is subscripted. Okay, and superscripted same here with the superscripted, but superscripted will appear above the normal line. This text is, and I will use here SUP. Okay, this text is superscripted. Now you can see this text is superscripted. Like in case of H2O, the two appear below the below the normal line. So in H2O, like same in the case of in superscripted, like you say 8 to power 6, so it's just like for super. So here you can use it, and it has a lot of benefit, because in your website there may be some text which is subscripted, there may be some text which is superscripted. So this is actually the most important like formatting elements in the HTML. Another important formatting element is emphasized. Emphasize is same as italic. If you want to put pressure on something, yeah, you want to give importance to something, yeah, pressurize something, so it is same as italic. Okay, emphasized text. So like see, you can see this is emphasized text, so like it appears same. You can see this is italic, and you can see this is emphasized. So these are some important formatting element in HTML. Okay, so we learn about the formatting element. If you want to learn more about the formatting element, then you can go and search in the, like here you can search here that formatting, you will get more and more formatting element in HTML. You can see it will come here and you can use it. If my net is working, then it will come here. Yeah, I have internet access, but let's see, it will appear. I will not wait for it, but you can search for it. Okay, now we will study about these or formatting elements. Now we will go and today I will also tell you about the HTML attribute, that what is HTML attribute. So today I'm going to tell you about the HTML, what is behind this. Okay, it's background. Wow, it's background. So what is HTML attributes? I will tell you. This is HTML elements. The element which used inside the HTML is HTML elements. Like head, it is an element, like it is opening tag and it is closing tag of the head, and there is some content between opening and closing tag. Okay, like its body opening tag and its body closing tag, and there is some content between body opening and closing tag. It is a bold opening tag, it is bold closing tag, and there is some text between it. So what is it? Is the HTML elements. But when you use something inside the element, when you use something inside the opening tag, then we call it attribute. Like I will tell you, like A is for link, hyperlink, and to link it to some website you use href, ref. Now what is this? This is a attribute. Now this is attribute. When you use something inside the HTML element, HTML opening tag, it is called attribute. Like this is now attribute. Like add something extra information. To add something extra information, we use a attribute like this. Another attribute I will tell you about the image source. I won't tell you about the image, but we will talk about the image in the next video, inshallah. You don't have to worry about it, but I will tell you, like image, it's actually now it's a tag, and it's also a empty tag because it doesn't have any close tag. So this is the opening tag of the image, and then inside the opening tag we use this attribute. Image is an element, it is a HTML element, and now this source is an attribute. Okay, here you can put image. I already here is the image girl dot this. I will put this image here, girl.avf. It is Okay, so this is relative image. I will tell you about what is relative and what is external. So you can see, oh, this picture appeared here. You can see. Now you can see this picture appears there. So this is like attributes which you can use behind inside, like inside the opening tag. It gives extra information to your element, to your HTML element. So I think you will get to know about the attributes. There are many attributes, man, and like you can use these attributes. There are many attributes inside the HTML. You can use it and you don't have to worry about it. There are many, like I think, say, like I tell you about the height is also attribute. I say give it the to 500 pixel height. At 500 pixel is too much, guys, but let's see. Now you can see this height, like height appears, disappear, and I also give it width, and I also give it some width. Okay guys, here I also give it some width. Okay, and width I also give it width of 500 pixel. So these are also attribute because it add extra information. So now it said extra information. Now you can see my image appear, like you can see my image like width and height both change. So these are like attributes. You can use these attributes. So there are many attributes, and we will talk about the attributes in next video. I hope so you guys understand, and I think today I talk too much less and I talk too much like on the point. So I think now I'm becoming mature day by day. So okay, meet you in next video. Allah Hafiz.